Hello everyone, welcome to WaelAcademy. Today we're gonna sit for a consolidation paper of Unit 2, Education Matters. And we're gonna start with the first activity here, which is about matching. So what are we going to do here? The question is, match the words or expressions to get synonyms or definitions. Okay. So what are the words that we have here? Let's start. Compulsory, underachievement, log on, genuine, assess, deprived, accurate, remote, enrollment, to drop out, the fact of doing badly at school, evaluate, far away, registration, precise or exact, obligatory, underprivileged, connect, to leave or to quit, real or authentic. Okay, let's start with the first. So the first word, compulsory. Number one with, what does mean compulsory?
Obligatory.
Very good, obligatory. So it's with F. Number two, underachievement. Underachievement. What do we mean by underachievement? So, for example, if you sit for an exam or a bunch of exams and you do not solve these exams as you wish. So, what does mean underachievement?
The fact of doing badly at school.
Very good. The fact of doing badly at school. Good. Now, log on.
Connect.
Connect. Genuine. So what does mean genuine? I think I have just a second. Let me see your answers in the chat. Okay, number 4, genuine, yes, it means real or authentic. حاجة أصلية يعني. Okay. Now, assess. Assess. So, assess means, what does it mean being assessed? Being evaluated. So, assess means to evaluate. Deprived. Yes. Just a second. Okay, good job. The one who's answering in the chat. Very good. Okay. So for the rest of you guys, what does it mean deprived?
يحرم معناه.
Good. So which word here in the list that we have? It's under privileged. Okay. Now, accurate. Accurate. Yes. It means precise or exact. Remote. Remote.
Far
It
away.
means far away. Yes. Enrollment. To enroll in a school, in a university. In an event, for example. Yes, so it's registration. And the last one, to drop out, means to quit or to leave. Hi. Very good. Okay, we move to the next page. So look at the first activity here. It says put the bracketed words in the right tense or form. So there is no doubt that online education is becoming, just a second. So it's becoming the norm than the exception. In fact, online education has several that makes a student in virtual schools, to start with, e-learning enjoy more than in classical schools. For instance, they no more obliged to wear school uniforms or carry heavy bags. They also have shorter days at schools, which can allow them to practice there and forget about the education routine. Next type of students benefit from more. Actually, there are no journeys, as they are no longer obliged to cross long distances to reach school. They study at own pace, wherever and whenever they wish. Finally, this new type of education is good for many categories of people. For example, it is the best solution for children who need their confidence, parents with children to care for handicapped people, children far away from schools, and also working people. Okay. So let's start answering. So there is no doubt that online education is becoming the norm than the exception. In fact, online education has several. So let me highlight the words that are going to help us. Several. Several what here? We have the word appeal. The noun appeal. So what are we going to say? Yes? Let me check. Someone is answering in the chat. Precise, far away, registration. Okay, that's the first. Okay, so several. The word several means that the noun that we're going to have later, just after it, is going to be in the plural. So what are we going to say?
Appeal.
Several
Yes.
appeals. Several appeals. Okay, that make a student to enroll in virtual schools. Make is already a conjugated verb, so the second has to be in the bare infinitive. What are we make a student. So we need to conjugate this verb. This is not going to be in the bare infinitive. So
Enroll.
make
Enrolling.
in
With ed.
It's a fact here. Since it is a fact, which tense are we going to use?
The simple present.
Simple present tense. So make a student enroll. Okay. So to start with e-learning, enjoy more than in classical schools.
Freedom.
Freedom, very good. We need a noun here. Freedom. For instance, they no more obliged to wear school uniforms or carry heavy bags. They also have shorter days at schools. So,
They are.
they are very good. Still with the present tense. Okay. They also have shorter days at school, which can allow them to practice their
hobbies.
very good. Their hobbies. It has to be in plural. And forget about the educational routine. Next type of students benefit from more comfort. Very good. Actually, there are no journeys as they are no longer obliged to cross long distances to reach school. They study at own pace.
There.
At their own pace. Very good, girls. Excellent. So finally, this new type of education is good for many categories of people. For example, it is the best solution for children.
Polite.
So the word is bullying. Here we have bullying. And we have here the word children. يعني نقصدوا في
Polite.
الأطفال اللي تعرضت للتنمر. What do we call them?
Polite.
Bullied. Yes, bullied.
Bullied.
Good. Good. Okay. Who need their confidence? يحتاجوا إنه
To
يستعيدوا
regain.
ثقتهم في أنفسهم. Very good. To regain. Excellent. Parents with children to care for handicapped people, children far away from schools, and also working people. Look, we have this word, working people. A verb plus ing. So, what are we gonna say?
Living.
Children
Living.
يعني الأطفال اللي تعيش بعيدة على المدارس. Okay, living. Oh, sorry. Okay. Do you have any questions regarding this activity? Do you need me to explain anything? Or everything is clear? Shall we move to the next?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. Now, circle the correct alternative to obtain the meaningful paragraph. Okay, a cyber school, also known as a virtual or online school, is considered a type of charter school. Through cyber school instruction, you can receive your high school diploma during, while, or via taking classes online. This type of school takes the classroom out of the equation and provides a student with by or at self-discipline to obtain a quality education and flexibility not available in a traditional school system. Many parents are interested, concerned, or indifferent about the costs of a cyber school. Depending on whether you choose, attend, or leave a public or private option will determine your cost. So the public options are paid by dollars allocated by the state and district of residence for each child's education. Besides, though or therefore, students can attend a public cyber school at no cost to the parents. Private schools have more control in, about, or over pricing options. به نجيو توي كنجاوبو مع بعضنا واحدة واحدة بشوية بشوية. Let me check the chat. Someone is answering over here. Very good. Who is admise in the chat? What is your name? You're doing a good job. That's why I'm asking. Okay, so let us answer together. A cyber school, also known as a virtual or online school, is considered a type of charter school. Through cyber school instruction, you can receive your high school diploma during, while, or via taking classes online. يعني أنت باش تاخد الدبلومة متاعك من خلال شنو نقولوا during, while, or via? Via. Very good. So this type of school takes the classroom out of the equation and provides a student with, by, or at self-discipline to obtain a quality education and flexibility not available in a traditional school system. So provides a student with self-discipline, by self-discipline, or at self-discipline. It's not by here.
With.
With, yes, it's with. So many parents are interested, concerned, or indifferent. Interested مهتمين, concerned. فيها معنى الاهتمام زادة. Indifferent يعني إنسان ما يهموش ماهوش مهتم. So about the costs of a cyber school. What do we say? We have the word about. Concerned about, very good. ولو كان جات عنا interested شنو باش يكون؟ in, very good. صحيت. So about the خليني ميلا لهنا I highlight the keyword that helped us here. Thank you, girl. And we carry on. So depending on whether you choose, attend, or leave a public or private options, public or private option will determine your cost. Could you please turn off the mic? Whoever is opening the mic here. And thank you. I'm sorry because there is a noise. Guys, can you turn off the mics, please? Thank you. Okay. So, depending on whether you choose, attend, or leave a public or private option will determine your cost. So, what do we say here?
choose.
Choose, yes. كيف سواء باش تختار يعني تعليم عمومي وإلا privé, there is a cost. Okay. So the public options are paid by dollars allocated by the state and district of residence for each child's education. Besides, though or therefore, student can attend a public cyber school at no cost to the parents.
Therefore.
Excellent. Therefore, it's a consequence. هنا قاعدين نعطيو في consequence. So therefore, very good. Okay, now private schools have more control in, about, or over pricing options. Control. So the word control is a key word here. What do we say? Control in, control about, or control over?
Over.
over very good.
over
به نحب نرجع أنا للجملة اللي قبلها اللي استعملنا فيها therefore. So لو كان جينا باش نعطيو or if we were about adding a new information, which word are we going to use besides do or therefore?
Besides.
Besides, very good. If we were going to give a contrast idea, a contrasting idea, what are we going to say? Besides do or therefore. لو كان جات الفكرة اللي باش نزيدوها لهنا اللي باش نحكيو عليها من بعد يعني فكرة opposite شنو باش نقولوا؟
Those.
So very good, very good. Okay, now let's carry on. Now choose 7 words to complete the text below. So what do we have? Motivated, personal, adult, available, learners, promoting, vocational, encouraged, and both. Girls, what does it mean, vocational? Do you know the meaning of the word? Vocational معناها مهني. Okay. So let's start. Let's start answering. And here we go. Lifelong. First, let us read the whole paragraph and then we answer, okay? Lifelong learning may be broadly defined as learning that is pursued throughout life. Learning which is flexible, diverse, and at different times and different places. It crosses sectors, learning beyond traditional schooling and throughout life. The first characteristic of lifelong learning is that it encompasses formal and informal types of education and training. The second common theme of lifelong learning is the importance of self-learning. Lifelong are therefore not defined by the type of education or training in which they involved, but by the characteristics that lead to such involvement. Okay, we start together. Lifelong learning may be broadly defined as learning that is pursued throughout life. لأن هنا نحكيو على التعلم مدى الحياة. lifelong learning معناها تقعد ديما تتعلم. Learning which is flexible, diverse, and at different times and in different places. So the word that we need here is
available.
available. Excellent. Oops. Good. Okay, at different times and different places, it crosses sectors, learning beyond traditional schooling and throughout life. Okay, very good. Yes, so what is the word we're going to use here? It crosses sectors. شنو قاعدة تعمل؟ promoting learning.
promoting
Yes, so promoting learning. Oops. Beyond traditional schooling and throughout life. Whose life we're speaking about?
vocational life.
Vocational? Not exactly.
Adult.
Adult life, yes. Okay. So, the first characteristic of lifelong learning is that it compasses it compasses formal and informal types. So we're speaking about two things.
Both.
Excellent, both, yes. So the words that I'm highlighting in purple are the key words. Okay, now let's carry on. So the second common theme of lifelong learning is the importance of
Adult.
self-learning. What is it? Self?
ال-
So what do we still have? We still have motivated person,
motivated.
learners, vocational, encouraged. Which word?
Motivated.
Motivated.
Yes, motivated, yes. Okay. Lifelong are therefore who are we speaking about?
Learners.
Learners, yes. Good. So is this activity clear for you guys, everyone? Okay. Lifelong learners, I'm sorry, are therefore not defined by the type of education or training in which they involved, but by the characteristics that lead to such involvement. Which characteristics?
Personal.
Personal.
Very good. Personal. So guys, do you have any question regarding this activity here?
Clear, miss.
Clear? Good. Good job. Okay. So we're gonna continue and we move to the next activities. Now this activity says fill in the blanks with words from the box below. Educationally unable, higher, of, perceived, afford, inaccessible, and beneficiaries. Okay, let's focus. Virtual learning or e-learning is an option for students whose parents are wealthy. يعني هي option للناس اللي أوليائهم are very rich. Wealthy معناها فوق شوية من rich. Unfortunately, it is for many teenagers who face problems in a traditional classroom environment, which may here be, it has to be the word key. So, which may be threatening to some students. Disabled students are one of distance learning. Many students do not have the internet, which is indeed a serious disadvantage in their education. Pupils whose families have a computer are likely to achieve grades because the benefits of such technology outweighs any risks. Hundreds of thousands of British kids are to access the internet at home, either because parents cannot it or fear the disruptive effects of social networking websites. So the study by Oxford University carried out between 2008 and 2011 estimated about 10% of the teenagers were without online connectivity at home, with most living in poorer households. Those without a strong sense of being disadvantaged, according to a survey. Okay, parents and teachers to work hard at school should support teenagers who do not have access normally to the internet or cannot afford the high expenses of online schools. Okay, let me check the chat. Okay, so here we go, girls. Virtual learning or e-learning is an option for students whose parents are wealthy. Unfortunately, it is for many for many teenagers who face problems in a traditional school. So the first word is, look, we have unfortunately, so we're going to speak about a negative thing here. It is for many teenagers who face problems in a traditional classroom environment, which may be threatening to some students. So I checked the chat, good. What about the others? What do you say? So we're speaking here about the accessibility, which is here.
inaccessible.
Inaccessible.
Accessible.
يعني برشا تلاميذ ما عندهمش access لل e-learning والإنترنت. Okay, for many teenagers who face problems in a traditional classroom environment, which may be threatening to some students, disabled students are one of distance learning. Many students do not have the internet, which is indeed a serious disadvantage in their. So, disabled students are one of the
beneficiaries.
very good beneficiaries, yes. Okay. Good. Beneficiaries. Yes. And we carry on. So, which is indeed a serious disadvantage in their education. Okay. Pupils whose families have a computer are likely to achieve grades. How are their grades?
Higher grades.
Higher grades, yes. Excellent. So let's carry on, because the benefits of such technology outweighs any risks. We need an adjective here. We have the noun risks. So what are we going to say? What about these risks? So what do we say?
Perceived.
Huh?
Perceived.
Perceived, yes.
Yes.
Good, very good. Perceived, yes. So perceived يعني كيما نقولوا لهنا الفطورات اللي متصورينها.
Mhm.
Okay, so hundreds of thousands of British kids are to access the internet at home, either because parents cannot.
Enable.
Very good. So yes, unable. Very good. So to access the internet at home, either because parents cannot what? It for the or fear the disruptive effect. So they cannot. Very good. Word. Do you have another session after English today?
No, miss.
Okay, good. So the study by Oxford University carried out between 2008 and 2011 estimated about 10% of the teenagers were without online connectivity at home, with most living in poorer households. Those without have a strong sense of being disadvantaged. Being disadvantaged. So look here. We have a verb. We have the adjective. So how are they?
Educationally.
Very good. Educationally disadvantaged. We need an adverb, which is educationally. Very good. Oh, sorry. Very good. Okay, we move to activity 6. So put the words between parentheses in the right tense or form. Okay. Just a second, girls. Okay, so what are we gonna say? Many children in Ethiopia, Somalia, and other poor African countries are deprived of the basic needs such as nutrition, fresh water, and housing. These obstacles prevent them from verb to attend school. Okay, missing classes is a problem that hurdles the sustained in these countries. A study released last month that during a 6-month interval, near 60% of poor children suffer from and ignorance. Many international organizations do their best, okay, the word reduce, the high level of poverty in parts in the world. Research links the following family factors to fewer missed school days. Parents who affirm the okay, this word is okay, sorry. Of regular school attendance, according to a sociologist, it is completely not acceptable to remain passive and turn blind eye to the phenomenon in other countries in Europe. The rates of literacy are low. Okay, just a second. So I forgot we had this lesson with another group. So yes, here we go. Many children in Ethiopia, Somalia, and other poor African countries are deprived of the basic needs such as nutritious fresh water and housing. These obstacles prevent them from schools. From what exactly? Yes.
It sounds like
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, missing classes is a problem that hurdles the sustained in these countries.
Development.
Development, yes. Very good. Okay, let's carry on. So a study released last month.
Found.
So last
Found.
month, found. Yes. That during a 6-month internal, nearly 60% of poor children suffer from
illiteracy.
Literacy.
illiteracy
Literacy.
and ignorance. Good. Okay. Many international organizations do not do their best, sorry. Many international organizations do their best, the high level. So they do their best for what?
To reduce.
To reduce, yes. The high level of poverty in parts in the world.
Various.
Various, yes. Very good, okay. Research links the following family factors to fewer missed school days. Parents who affirm they have regular school attendance.
Necessity.
Yes. According to sociologists, it is completely not acceptable. What do we say? In one word.
Unacceptable.
Unacceptable, yes. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, the last activity in this paper. So circle the right option. School attendance is the essential key to maximize knowledge and to contribute to the human intelligence. Regular attendance modifies, alleviates, or boosts school results and gives the students and parents sense of satisfaction or satisfy and self-confidence. Okay, the first word. So, regular attendance modifies, alleviate, or boosts school attendance?
Boost.
Boost.
Boosts, yes. Okay. So, a sense of satisfaction, or satisfy?
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction. Good. And self-confidence. However, illnesses represent the first cause of absence. Students with epilepsy appear to have an increased, or sorry, the word increased is repeated. So increasing or increased?
Increased.
Increase it with ED.
Very good. Increased, yes. So risks of depression. Families whom have successfully adjusted to their child's disease and positive family-school relationships. The EdMed Kids website suggests that learners, educators, or students consider working with parents on several dimensions that predict good attendance among ill students.
Educator.
Educators, very good. Okay, a first step into the emphasize for parents the value of their youngster daily coming to and staying at school. A second step is to enable parents to become informed about epilepsy.
Enable.
Enable.
Enable, yes. More broadly, to help parents adjust to the reality of their child's epileptic status. A third step is to praise, encourage, or foster homeschool communication.
Encourage.
Foster.
Foster. Yes. Teachers can help by using report daily cards, daily report, or daily report cards.
Daily report cards.
Yes, daily report cards.